Okay, now before to dive into the complex subject of reciprocating compressors, a couple of words just to put things into perspective. First, a compressor is a device used to increase the pressure of a compressible fluid. The inlet pressure level can be any value from a deep vacuum to a high positive pressure. The discharge pressure can range from subatmospheric levels to high values in the tens of thousands of pounds per square inch. The inlet and outlet pressures are related, corresponding with the type of compressor and its configuration. The fluid can be any compressible fluid, either gas or vapor, and can have a wide molecular weight range. Recorded molecular weights of compressed gases range from 2 for hydrogen to 352 for uranium hexafluoride. Applications of compressed gas vary from consumer products such as home refrigerators to large complex petrochemical plants. The compressors to be covered in this course are those using mechanical motion to effect the compression. These types of compressors are commonly used in the process and gas distribution industries. A partial list of these industries include chemical, petrochemical, refinery, pulp and paper, and utilities. A few typical applications are air separation, vapor extraction, steam recompression, and process and plant air. Compressors have numerous forms, their exact configurations being based on the application. For comparison, the different types of compressors can be divided into two groups based on the compression mode, either intermittent or continuous. The intermittent mode of compression is cyclic in nature. A specific quantity of gas is ingested by the compressor, acted upon, and discharged before the cycle is repeated. In the continuous compression mode, the gas is moved into the compressor, acted upon, moved through the compressor, and discharged without interruption of the flow at any point in the process. Compressors using the intermittent compression mode are referred to as positive-displacement compressors, of which there are two distinct types, reciprocating and rotary. On the other hand, continuous mode compressors are also characterized by two fundamental types, dynamic and ejector. Dynamic compressors can be further broken down into three main types: radial, mixed, and axial flow compressors. This course will focus exclusively on reciprocating compressors and will provide you with a complete understanding of construction details and functioning of reciprocating compressors for successful operation of your plant and piping system. Now take a look at the following figure. It shows the typical application range of each compressor as a function of the inlet volume flow expressed here in actual cubic feet per minute and the discharge pressure expressed in psi. The application range for reciprocating compressors is depicted here.